All right, take a look at this. You don't need to use your Google spreadsheets or Excel spreadsheets anymore. This is a keyword tracker that is annotatable. Now, anything going from green to red is decreasing in organic rank. Anything going from red to green is increasing in organic ranking. Now, we can see that someone made an annotation on this here keyword to try and get it indexed, which they were successful at because we can see it going from red to green. Now, they did a listing edit and they did a PPC edit. One on the 17th and one on the 19th, I believe. Now, if we go ahead and take a look here, we can see the highlights happening. Let's go ahead and turn on the PPC data, and we can see the PPC data in between the keyword, search volume, and the organic ranking. We can see the number of PPC clicks. We can see the click-through rate. Let's blow that up. That's really good. We can see the conversion rate is 18%. Let's blow that up. Beautiful, okay? Now, this is likely the reason why this here keyword got indexed for this product. One, because of the listing update. Two, because of the PPC driving some sales and the click-through rate and conversion rate being decent. Over here in the listing builder, this is where we can make sure we're SEO optimized for the keyword for this here product. Now let's paste in this niacinamide keyword. We can see it's in broad match. Okay, so we're not telling Amazon we're super relevant for it because we are not in exact match. Let's go ahead, put this somewhere in our title or our bullets, see that data dive loads, changes to exact as soon as your listing is SEO optimized for it. Now, if you or your team do this, you're gonna wanna go ahead, do the changes in Amazon and annotate it over in Rank Radar here, okay? Again, giving yourself and or your team full transparency into what you're doing to get this product to page one for more keywords. Go ahead, book a demo with our team below. Let us show you how to do this from step A to Z. It is very quick. It is the most fast, efficient tool out there to date. Keyword research, PPC optimization, listing optimization. Let us show you on a quick demo, totally complimentary for you.